In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule messages on the WhatsApp application on both Android and iOS devices. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and actually install WhatsApp Business, because this will only work if you do have WhatsApp Business. It is basically the same thing like WhatsApp, but they're just a little bit of business features, and one of those business features includes the ability to schedule messages. So again, you can find this application completely for free on the App Store or the Google Play Store. But anyways, guys, once you went ahead and open it up, all you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and then go over here and select on tools. Then scroll down until you see this option that says away message, and it will reply automatically when you're away. So let's go ahead and press on this right here, and basically go ahead and just turn on send away message, and then go ahead and write out your away message over here. So write whatever you want. So I'm just going to be writing like test, like so. Then I'm just going to go ahead and press on OK, and here's where you guys can actually start to schedule it. So you can make it so it always sends, or you can go ahead and select on a custom schedule. You guys could then schedule this message at a specific time, and then you can go ahead and select who you want to send this message to. Again, this will work on both iOS and Android devices. However, you will need the WhatsApp app. Alright, so once you're done with everything, all you need to do is go ahead and press on save once you're done. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.